This is a song lesson for the song Sunflower from the Spider-Man movie featuring Post Malone and Swat Lee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the main chords. My name is Dave Donahue, the guitar coach, and every week I put up guitar tutorials on YouTube. If you haven't already subscribed and you want to keep up to date, I'm aiming to put up a few hundred lessons in the next couple of months. There's going to be new music released on Fridays, there's going to be technique lessons, videos from Afterthoughts, my own private lessons here in Ireland, and many more things. So if it sounds like your kind of thing, just hit subscribe and I'm going to get into the lesson. So I've linked an Ultimate Guitar link below this because the thing is, at its most basic level, the chords are correct on it. So it's D, G, E minor, and G. Now there are some nice variations that I would have taught in like grade lessons and things like that for exams. So instead of D, you could do D major 7, which is basically just flatten your index finger across the second fret on G, B, and E. So that'll be that bit. Now I'll talk about how these come in handy again in a second. So we have D, and that would be your dun 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 dun. The rhythm is going down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And I'll link that below in the description too. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So on D, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then same thing on G. And sometimes I go down, up. On that down there, I'll actually chop the strings. Down, up, chop, down, up, down, 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 up. So that'll be the rhythm on all four. Now the variations in chords, that would be the D major 7 I covered. How would I fit that in? Well, how would I fit it in would be as follows. I'll do it and I'll teach it from there. So I go. Okay, so I do one round of rhythm. Sometimes I have to play things to figure out how I do them. I play one round of rhythm on the D, then I change to D major 7. Now you can vary these, of course. Some people like to go or go. Many variations. Then on the G, this is my favorite one. This next chord, hope I named this right. Any you theory heads out there, don't go trolling. We have a G chord, 4-finger G. Now I'm taking off my index, I'm taking off my pinky. I'm going to move my index finger down here onto the second fret of the thin E string. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm going to say it's like a G major 7 of sorts. Now, where we could do that, or you could also lift up your ring finger. It's a stronger tone, but it's still nice. Then E minor, you can put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and then finally we're back to the G. Now, the thing is, the verse is all upbeat. Dun, 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 dun. Now the bit goes. That's the breakdown just ahead of the chorus. That's the only time the rhythm really changes. So I'm picking the E string, A, D. I do that with the pick. Then with my middle finger down here and my ring finger on the picking hand, I pick those together on G and B. So I get did the same thing on G. Sorry. Then we're into the chorus. And you can vary it as much as you want from there. And those are all the parts of Sunflower. Now the thing is, looking at it, you could look and go, man, there's only 4 chords. It's the production that makes the difference with it. And that's why I aim to sometimes change little bits of chords. So we'd say if there's a string line in the background, I'm kind of capturing some of the notes and putting them into the cards. So it kind of keeps ourselves entertained, and it keeps other people entertained who might not be aware of the production, but they know something's missing if you just play, let's say, a D card with it and there was another line in the background. So if you have any questions or you want a hand with any of the material, just post a comment below. And what I've done in the past is I've given like video feedback to people over Facebook, just because it's a way quicker medium than YouTube for posting video replies. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.